Hello folks, this is Steve AB4EL. I want to show you something. Now I heard this advertisement on the Greensboro old rock and roll station during the weekend, and as I was driving down to deliver something, I saw somebody at the roadside, and I want to show you what's going on. Now, I haven't pre-explored this. There's going to be a guy right at the corner holding a sign that's the shape of an arrow. And I'll go slow, I want you to see what he's advertising. 20 ribeyes for $39 this way, so we got to turn right. Now the ad on the radio said Staples. Well, I do a lot of packages shipping from Staples, so I know where that is. It's right here coming up, and I can see a Ryder truck and a tent. Now I'm not going to stop, I just want to show you how things are done. So we're going into the Staples parking lot. I'm being careful. And now we're going to turn like this. Now I can see the refrigeration unit up above the back cab of the truck. It says enter here. I'm not promoting anything, I'm not recommending anything, I'm just showing you. 20 premium ribeyes, $39. Up at the top it says Backyard Butchers, USDA steak variety packs, seafood, chicken, pork, individually packaged, vacuum sealed, USDA certified, freezer ready. And then they show the credit cards, and then you can, there's a QR code there, there's a QR code down there, and they got a customer over there that's buying something and paying for it. Now, when was the last time I saw something like this? Actually, it was further down Dixie Drive. No, excuse me. It was in Ramseur. Now I'm clicking. It was in Ramseur, and it was at the Charlie C's IGA, and something similar was going on. And you could actually walk in up the steps to the back of the truck inside to where they had the frozen meat and pick out what you wanted. So it was, in a way, it was kind of similar. So there you go. You need some ribeyes? I can overnight ship them with dry ice. It only costs you $100 for that service. That's because my back is bad, otherwise it would be $50. Now they got a guy over in that corner for the traffic that's coming this way. Steve AB4EL is out here on this 80-degree plus day, following up on something that he heard on the classic rock and roll station repeatedly over the weekend, saying see you in 73.